I'm feeling quite despondent. Yeah, obviously the winter is coming. 4 weeks, pretty much, minus a day. When I first got back after a break down in London, I smiled as I was walking up here, just because I like being out in the countryside. But when it's winter, it's not very nice. Especially, I mean, staying in the caravan, it's lovely in the summer. Building in the winter is pretty bleak. So since I've been back, I've just done a little bit of painting. That's it. I've just been sitting there. I think filming is a problem. It is a bit of a problem because I'm trying to work out a way of my YouTube being more successful, and I know the way to do that is probably just how-to videos, and what I'm about to do now and what I do the majority of the time isn't conducive to being successful on YouTube. Like, no one, not many people are interested in me or what I'm doing. They don't care about me. They just want to, they're like, mate, I just want to know how to screw 2 bits of wood together. Like, that is literally it. Sometimes I don't know why I bother. So yeah, I've got 4 weeks to get the cartilage done. I can't stay in the caravan over winter. I mean, I can. I don't mind roughing it really, but I just don't want to. I don't want to do it. I want to have somewhere nice and warm to like sleep and wake up in the morning. I just want to stay curled up in bed. So yeah, the next 4 weeks, I don't think I might do one how-to video. Try and get some numbers. These scaffold boards, I'm going to use them. I've already pulled some into the barn. I'm going to make a bed. Lou don't want me to. I'm like, I'm not buying one. I'm making one. And I was going to buy some nice maple and do a vanity unit as well, but I can't spend any more money on the cartilage. So I'm going to do that at scaffold boards as well. She doesn't know yet. She's going to kill me. Yeah. Let's show you what's happening. And here's a washing machine that I got with this oven in exchange for a bottle of whiskey. That's alright, hey. The washing machine I need to plumb into the borehole sheds, so I need to do some pipe work in there at some point. I'm just going to rush through that job. The oven, I didn't have a cabinet for the dodgy kitchen that I bought, so I just bought one from B&Q. It's a flat pack one. That's in there. So I need to build a kitchen at some point in the next 4 weeks and paint it and make it look nice. I've got a maple worktop just there. And that's our old sofa from the flat, because we just got a new one there. Somehow I need to get that out of the van, bag it up. That's going to be used in the barn at some point. You know, when you're still decorating, you don't want to get a nice new sofa. I need to get the cartilage done in 4 weeks. That is going to be my main priority. Filming, it's just going to be dip in, dip out, and you can see what I'm doing at the time. It's not necessarily, I don't think I'm going to do it as detailed or anything, but you might learn something, you might not. It's just the way it is. Going up this ladder is an absolute pain in the arse, so we need to get the steps built. Dan's coming on the weekends. I don't know whether he's coming 1 or 2 days. We're going to try and get this staircase built. It's got the stringers done already, got the steps. That stringer's bent at the end. That's going to be a pain in the arse. Nothing, there's no instructions, nothing's cut. It's going to be a nightmare to figure out. I need to go and pick up my genie lifts from the place that I volunteer at. I haven't been there for a good 2-3 months. I got my door there. Ideally I put that on now, but I can't lift it up there, it's too heavy. I probably need my Gene lift or Dan. I still need to finish the insulation in here and board it as well, and I'm going to put a tap here because I need to have effectively a drain off from upstairs, plus it'll be handy just to have a tap there as well rather than trekking over there. I'll show you what's happening in here. Still waiting for my plasterer to come back. I need to chase him again. Adam, come on, man. I think there's things like that when I don't necessarily have control over it, it stops me from doing other stuff that I can do. It just like, well, that bit doesn't work, and then it. Do you know what I mean? I don't think you do. So this needs plastering still. I've got flooring downstairs as well, but there's an issue with the floor that I'm going to have to sort out. You'll see that at some point. I've painted in here though. I painted this yesterday. So the opacity on that stuff's quite good, and I watered it down by 10% or there or thereabouts. This is their trade, no nonsense, bare plaster, brilliant white matte finish. So I got that 2 years ago, I think it was, or maybe like a year and a half, maybe. It was a long time ago. I remember because it was on sale at Screwfix. I think I paid like £8.50 or £7.50 a tub. It's normally like 20 quid, and I thought, right, I'll have them, I'll need loads of them. I got as many as I could at the time, just from like the local branches. I think I got 7. So yeah, I walked it down, and it's gone on. Like, I probably only need like 1 coat. I could leave it like this. What do you reckon? Right, task, shower tray. Before that, would you like a quick montage of plastering? 3, 2, 1, go. filmed that in slow motion. I thought it'd be quite cool, but the camera doesn't pick up things that well in the with low light, so it's a bit noisy. I'm not quite sure I'm going to do this shower tray. It's a big mofo. 1.3 by 900. Oh, so heavy, so heavy. I'm going to do this on a sand and cement base. I'm going to do a 5-to-1 mix with plasticizer, and I'm just basically going to spread it out, probably about 8-10 mil thick or something. I'll show you the bottom of the tray, and I've been debating different ways to do it, but I think I'm just going to do it this way. I'll show you in a second. I got myself some suckers. These are the Chinese ones. I did test it out quickly downstairs on my glass door. It seems to work quite well. I think this probably weighs, I don't know, about 40 kilograms or something. So yeah, I'm not sure I'm going to be able to get it in by myself, but I'm just going to do it now. I need to mark out, basically you do the classic keyhole, cut it in the floor, so you can get your waste in. I don't need to fit it with the waste in. I can fit my waste afterwards because I've still got access downstairs. Yeah, so I'm going to drag that across and cut that out now. Then I'll mix up the cement. There's a little bloke there. He's in there. No, you can't stay here. No, don't. You can't live in the roof. Come on. There you go. Jesus Christ. Oh. This is stone resin, acrylic capped. Now, these have been ground flat. I believe that's pretty much where you need to support it and the edges. This bit here is deeper than this bit down here. You're not supposed to bed it on silicone or tile adhesive. You're supposed to do it on sand and cement. And if you're interested in this kind of thing, I'm sure you've seen Roger Bisbee banging on about putting shower trays on sand and cement. And I don't think I've ever actually seen him do one like that. The only shower tray that I've seen him do has been one that he put on with silicone. What a fucking hypocrite. I got my steel toe caps on. Oh, Jesus Christ, I don't think it fits. I don't think it fits. I just measured it. It doesn't fit. Doesn't fucking fit, does it? Oh, for fuck's sake. Right, I built this knowing that I was going to get a 1300 shower tray. I gave myself a bit of wiggle room, so bearing in mind I knew I was going to tank it and everything, what I'm left with, the actual gap between these two walls is anywhere between 1305 millimeters to 1308 millimeters. So if I have a 1300 shower tray, that just gives me enough room to squeeze it in, basically, with a little bit of wiggle room, obviously. Now this shower tray is supposed to be 1300 wide and it's 1308. Like, what is the point in advertising it at 1300 and making it bigger? Why would you do that? So that this is the cheaper one. cheapest shower tray set, I think it was like 150 quid, but I was thinking about grinding down the edge or something, but it's not going to work. Yeah, what do I do? I can't take out the bottom section of wall. That's like, there's no point in having any tanking then, isn't it? I think I'm just going to try and buy another shower tray. I know there's ones that you can get there. I'll probably end up spending like 350 quid. And then actually ask the manufacturer, is it 1300 wide or is it extra? Fucking cock faces. Right, so I'm not doing a shower tray. I'm just going to sit back in the bloody caravan again and not do anything. Look at the bloody wall. Right, let's get on the internet.